Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready for a story that's part adorable, part chaotic, and all cat. So, meet Whiskers. He's usually a pretty chill dude, but the other day, he found something that would change his life forever. The doorbell. At first, it was just innocent curiosity. A little glowing button? What's this? He gave it a gentle boop with his paw, and ding dong! You should have seen his eyes. It was like he discovered the meaning of the universe. So, naturally, he had to press it again, and again, and again. It became his own personal concert, a symphony of dings and dongs. Meanwhile, poor Puff was inside trying to block out the noise. Just when the doorbell rave was at its peak, a hand appeared to gently end the party. Whiskers was devastated. The fun was over, and that's when Puff swooped in with the final verdict. Breaking news. Cat discovers doorbell. Neighbors not amused. Poor guilty Whiskers. If you enjoyed Whiskers' musical debut, hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. Thanks for watching.